Perry with Runaway Homestead. As you can tell, I'm heading down to check on my beehives to see how they're doing. I wish I had a place I could set my phone and record all this for you, but I will have to sit it down and open the hives and take a look, see what's going on, and maybe get my phone back and give you a bit of an update. I don't know if any of you have ever tried it, but a little bit of this on your hands, work it around, be generous with it. Works pretty well with getting in your hive without using a smoker. Everything looked good. No hive beetles. I put Class I sand or manufactured sand, I don't know what it might be called where you live, but it's a little bitty rock about the size of a match head and pretty coarse, and I put that around the bottom of both of my hives hoping to deter the hive beetles, and I was really surprised not to see any. Don't see any wax moth larvae or wax moth at all, so they definitely need to store up some more honey for wintertime, and hopefully the marigold, and I do have some buckwheat I need to get in, but other than that they look pretty good. I have one hive it's always been pretty aggressive. It's one I captured. I set up a trap and captured it at work. And it's always been a pretty aggressive hive, but even with just the liquid smoke, no stings, all went pretty well. Now I'm gonna go take a look at our pear tree and show you what it's doing. Our pear tree is so loaded down with pears that branches are actually breaking off. They're touching the ground. There are so many pears on them. So give us recommendations on what to do with so many pears. This is Class I sand. Like I say, it depends on where you get it. Some people call it Class I, and some people call it manufactured sand. But it's a very, very small rock, like I say. Most of it about the size of a match head. But that is what is around all the base of both of my beehives. Not a whole lot more to share. It's hot here. Super dry, need rain bad. So I'm just finishing up. Have a blessed day, and I'm gonna edit this and get it posted. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Hit the bell, and I will see you later.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.